Welcome to the Year 10 Cooking Making Kit.
Hi guys, today I'll be showing you what's in your kits. So today you'll be having flour to add into your bowl. Also sugar, brown and white sugar. And you'll also be having chocolate. We will be sending you your own piece of paper of the gas, the time, and also how to stay safe.
For those that are not vegan or not intolerant to eggs, you may use eggs. But in our group, we don't need eggs, so we'll have egg alternative.
So, hope you enjoy it, and I will see you later. Bye!
So what you're going to want to do to make your cookies is add the butter, and then you're going to add the sugar. And then you're going to mix it.
What's it called what you're doing right now?
Stirring.
What are you doing with the butter and sugar?
Just pushing it together.
It's called creaming.
Creaming the butter and sugar. And then we're going to add the flour and the egg, then the flour. And then once we stir the flour in, we're going to put the other ingredients in. I'm going to add in the chocolates to the mix.
Hello. So, we take our cookie dough, as we see here, yes. And then we plop it on the tray, yes. Now when you're doing your cookies, yeah, I advise you keep them distant from one another so they don't cook together, because you don't want that. Well, you can have Siamese cookies, but yeah. So you should usually have paper on your trays so the cookies don't stick to the pan or tray. It's whatever you're using. It's usually best to have 2 spoons so you can get the cookie dough off the pan or tray. After you're done using all your cookie dough, yeah, you take your pan or tray and then you put it in the oven for a bit of time for your cookies to set, and then you wait for them to be done. And that'll be your cookies done. After you've put your delicious cookies on the tray, we now stick them in the oven. Now, if you are a young whippersnapper out there, get a parent or caretaker to help you, because we can't really afford children burning their hands. So, we open the oven. That's a bit hot. So, you gently place your cookies in the oven, make sure they're all nice and spread out, and then
Kai, how long do we leave them in there for?
10 minutes.
Yay, and what temperature is the oven?
I have no clue. 180 degrees. We'll come back when they're done.
Yo guys, so we're going to be putting some chocolate in the bowl. Then some flour powder. Some eggnog. See daisies. Mistakes happen.
Monster. What are you going to do with that?
Some butter in the Yum. You massive fold it like this. So you put it this way, like this fold. Then you fold it up into a pizza. Pizza time! Now, once you do that, you put it in the oven.